Good morning, everybody. Thanks again for joining us. I'm Daniel with Smog Dog Palm Desert, and today our smog tip is dealing with Class A motorhomes and where to find that pesky data link connector. They're not all the same. The newer ones, thankfully, have gotten a little bit more consistent. This guy right here, I believe, is a 2006. Yes, 2006 Fleetwood. So it's on a workhorse chassis. That means it's got the Chevy 8.1 in it. Now the Ford version of this Class A motorhome will be right above here. They tell you to follow the gas pedal or the brake pedal, and the DLC, it's really in the most terrible place it could possibly be. But it's usually right up there where I'm pointing my finger. You got to really dig for it, and they put a stupid protection cap on it, so it's very, very difficult to get to. This one, on the other hand, not as difficult to get to once you can find it. But if you're savvy, you know what you're looking for. You'll notice that you got all these instrument clusters here and whatnot, and it's really hard to see because of the lighting here. Let me see if I can get my flashlight. But what you're going to notice right away is some of the familiar cluster under there, all that PC stuff. One thing I did notice first, before I even saw the initial one, is if you look right there, right below the primary beam, right in there, is the like the factory data link connector. And I thought, well, shoot, the OBD2 can't be that far. Sure enough, it's right there behind it. Much easier to get to, easy to get your hand in there, as long as you know where it is. But the Ford one, on the other hand, on the other side of the steering column there, it's way up in there. Sometimes they don't even give you much room to fit the actual cable, you know, with the cable coming off or the connector to it. And it's a real barrier, likely to scratch your hand on the plastic. But that's the way to go about it without having to tear apart the whole dash. But at any rate, that's where to find the data link connector on a Class A workhorse chassis motorhome. And I think most all of them should put them there. I know that's where Fleetwood likely is going to put them all in the same place, but they should be pretty consistent, and they usually are. They're not too far off. So hope that helps you out in your endeavor of trying to find that sucker, and have a great day.